I myself, Sunit Chaudhury, you people are already familiar with my face and everything and whatever I'm doing for PCS Global. Today, today I'm so excited that I have come personally to introduce our Sawon Roy, the mission that PCS Global has taken for the past few years. I will never say for the last 10 years. Okay, that removing unemployment, number one, and after that putting the right people to the right place of work at the right time. Okay, so we have done that, and today I can proudly say, being the CEO of this organization, that I was really happy that our Sawon, who was our employee, now an ex-employee, he joined our organization in the year 2020, and today he has joined TCS. That is in this week itself, last week, I believe, if I'm not wrong. Sawon, it
Yes,
is 4th July, I think, right?
yes, sir, you are right.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. So now the thing is that, see, the success story of PCS Global, the missions that we have to bring smile in the face of the youth, we are able to do it. And from PCS Global, a person is now rather moved to TCS. So I'm so excited that today I have told my branding team. I have Soutik with me, my branding teammates. Okay, I have told them that no, today no other people will be doing the branding, because I am excited after hearing these names that he has become a part of TCS. So I will personally come and I will have a personal chat with him that how PCS Global has helped Sawon to
Thank you,
be
sir. It's
a
my
part of
pleasure.
to be a part of the big four organizations, right?
Yes,
Savan,
sir. Yes, sir.
so you have become a part of the MNC. That is, you have fulfilled my dream,
Thank
and
you, sir.
people are moving every now and then. Okay, to the MNCs from PCS, and it's a great honor on my part to say that slowly I am able to reach my target. That is, you people are well aware of one thing, that little drops of water makes a mighty ocean.
Yes,
Similarly, one Sawon today is moving to TCS, already moved to TCS. Similarly, another Sawon will come, and one day another people will come and they will be moving to other places. And my HR team is now overburdened giving the paperwork, okay, regarding the salary slips, the joining letter is given earlier, and after that their experience and release letter and all the necessary documents that the companies are asking at this moment. And sometimes I'm also involved into that, because they need my guidance, right? Because the team is young, the flesh blood is working, and I firmly believe that to lead the team, it should be an Indian cricket team, right? Flesh blood is now rocking the world. Okay.
yeah, true.
So first of all, I will ask Swatik Datto, please introduce yourself a little bit.
Hello, Sawan.
Yeah,
Myself
hi.
Soutik Dotto,
Okay.
and I am a junior member of PCS Global, and I start my career with PCS Global 3 months ago,
Okay.
and I'm a member of in branding team.
Okay. Nice.
First,
Congrats.
I joined the PCS Global as a content writer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Swatik, thanks a
That's
lot.
Hmm.
And now uh, I will call the Prince of Kolkata. Please speak out. Sawan, please share your experience with PCS Global from the day one when you joined, that is in 2020.
yeah. So it was a nice time when I joined, and actually that's time due to Corona that was a virtual, I mean, session, because I do classes and trainings online, and I and everything. In fact, my working experience was also I done in work from home. So it was a great experience for me because at that time I was searching for a job and a very good opportunity, and unfortunately something was not going right, so that's why I did not get any good chance in any organizations. So one day I was searching in LinkedIn and I found a post there that internship program organized by PCS. So I applied there and I got a call for the interview and I give the interview. And after that, I got the result that I have got selected for the internship. After that, I have joined there. Uh, as I have already told you that everything was in virtual session. They provide me a very good quality of training. My mentor was Anindita Di, who is now an ex-employee of PCS Global because she has already shifted to an MNC company right now. And after that, I got a good project to work in, and it was a
And
very
most important part, Savan, we gave you the employee ID also after the internship, right? Do you
yeah,
remember?
definitely because I become an employee there, so I got the employee ID.
Because of your good performance and all, and I had a solid
Definitely,
discussion with
definitely.
you, and we have given you the employee ID and the salary
Yeah,
started, everything we give started.
So got me the
But initial first 3 months was a very hectic episode for you because only internship was there. Okay.
yeah. That time internship. After that, I
After that, you become a
become
regular
an employee of
employee
the
of us,
PCS.
and we started your salary also at that
Yeah.
time.
I
I
got the
do
salary.
remember. I do remember that.
Exactly. I
But
got.
but still, I can't remember that you will be going out of us. And to be very honest, and you have become a part of
Yeah,
TCS, right?
yeah. Thank you, sir.
And your Anindita ma'am is also a part of MNC. Okay,
Yeah. I have already
she's
mentioned that.
also. I told you that a little drop of water will make a mighty ocean. So all are moving out.
Definitely.
All are moving out. New people are coming out, and you people, please, it's a request from the core of my heart. Tell the people to come and join PCS Global because you
Yeah,
have seen all the postings and all, and the postings are going all across the globe. That what is our actual aim? That is to put
yeah,
you to the MNCs and all to give you a better life, right?
definitely. It's
But
a very
I
good
know
effort of the
I
patient.
know initial period is a very struggling period.
Yes,
Okay,
definitely.
because of the fact that you had to take first the training and all, and after that we put you into a project and all, and you become a regular employee,
Yeah,
and we started your salary.
yeah.
But uh, after that, you carry on, please. Explain the projects and all, and how the people, the mentors and all, they help you all.
Yeah, definitely. So I become a part of a project, under some seniors, and I remember the name of the sir is Devashish sir, who guide me a lot in that project, and some other seniors, Dada also there, who helped me in the projects, and we worked in that project, and the project was a PCS lead management project. It is a HR portal type where the HR can find the people that they have already applied for their organization or not, how many times before they have organized, I mean, how many times before they have applied there, and so many things. I mean, actually, it is a project which will help the HR to shortlist the candidates, who is suitable for the organization and not. So that was a very good experience. And as my domain was Java, I started my career there as a full stack Java developer. So this project was based on Java, and I have already learned Java, HTML, CSS, Spring Boot. So the framework of this project was Spring Boot, which I forgot to mention. So I have learned so many things there, and thank you for this. I want to thank you for Anindita Ji, Devashish sir, and special thanks to you, Sunit sir, because you are my first person whom I have talked in that organization, and you have given me always the guidance and the support whenever I have begged for you. I know you are a very busy person, but still you give me your valuable time whenever I feel the need from you.
So, Savan, any message from your end to the freshers who are struggling at this moment, and to the unemployed persons who are struggling at this moment? because you know that what is a real struggle is.
Yes, sir. This is
Right?
actually the real
Please,
scenario.
please give a message to the people, because you
Yeah.
are a live example of a successful man, right?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, I want to say to all the freshers members that everyone know that the condition of freshers is not so good in the market now, because no one wants to hire a freshers. Everyone want to hire an experienced candidate. So if you want to get placed in a very good organization or any moderate kind of organization, you have to be an experienced candidate first, then you will get more chances. But the chances for the freshers is very low, because there is a lot of fights between them, and the condition is not proper good in the current scenario. So I will tell to all the freshers that PCS Global is a very good platform for all the freshers. I have also joined there, and now I have moved to TCS. So if you want to make your career good, and if you want to start your career as a fresher, so PCS Global is one of the best platform, I think, because I have experienced this platform. So I want to tell all the freshers that come and join PCS Global. It will beneficial for your future. Definitely.
Thank you, Sawon, for your uh, heartful words that you have told from the core of your heart. Okay, and thanks to you once again for realizing the dream of PCS Global.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, and the hard work that we did for you.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
thank you. It's my pleasure, sir.
Yeah. So in a nutshell, all the very good wishes from our end. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank
But
you so much.
as told to all of you earlier also, that PCS Global is a one-way traffic.
Yeah.
That is, once you are there in PCS Global, okay, you will always remain a part of PCS Global. Though
Yeah,
I
definitely.
X tag will be there now in your employee ID, that it is X Havan Roy, right?
Thanks.
But don't forget us.
No, sir,
And
definitely
please,
not.
whenever we call you as a mentor or as a
As a guide or as a friend,
guest,
you can say.
as a friend, well wisher, whatever you
Yeah,
want,
definitely.
you can say
You are
whatever
very
you
friendly
like,
person.
right?
I have always told you.
So
Very friendly
please
person.
come and share your experience with us, so that this experience will help other freshers to get motivated and to join PCS Global and to get job in TCS, Infosys, and all the places like IBM,
Definitely.
all the places, because we are omnipresent at this moment,
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
Okay. Thank you so much, Savan, then.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Okay. Bye. Take care.
Bye,
God
sir.
bless you then.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir. It's my pleasure.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, bye.
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 Bye,
Bye.
Savan.
Yes, sir. Bye.